Linda Fields.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Linda.
This is my wonderful husband.
Oh.
I got the ticket. He was driving my car.
Oh.
I'm not guilty.
Oh.
He is. Let me explain what happened.
I can't wait.
Get the ticket in the mail, and I go, "What's this?" He says, "Just pay it." I said, "What happened?" He says, "I'm at the corner of Ed."
Welcome to Caught in Providence, where justice meets everyday chaos. Today's case, a wife, a husband, and a traffic ticket that might test the limits of both the land their marriage. Was it yellow, red, or just love in the danger zone? Let's find out who's really guilty here.
Eddie and Dudley, and I turned right on a yellow light. I said, "You went through a yellow light?" He says, "Yeah." I said, "I'm not paying it. We're going to fight this."
You have to fight him.
Yeah. So anyway, our son was in the hospital, had a very bad car accident, and he was going there 3 times a day. So I said, "We're going to fight this." So Wednesday, we looked at the video for the first time. And I said,
Oh, that's the moment it hits video. Evidence doesn't lie. 1 second, she's defending her husband. The next, she's turning state's witness. You can almost feel the courtroom lean in. When love and law collide, sometimes the truth flashes brighter than the traffic light itself.
"You went through a red light." And so that's where we stand.
So you came here today to tell me he's guilty.
I'm not guilty. The ticket's in my name.
No, I know.
I'm not guilty.
No, I understand that. I said, you came here today to tell me he's guilty. So the first thing you did was throw him under the bus.
I'm not throwing myself under. You know?
So you think he's really guilty, huh?
When I looked at that video, if I was a policeman, I would say he was guilty.
Guilty.
Me too.
Raise your right hand.
0.3 of a second, barely the blink of an eye. Yet in court, that's the difference between innocent and guilty. Think about it. How often have you hit the brakes a heartbeat too late? Justice here isn't about intent, it's about timing, literally.
I mean, it was a little bit close. A little bit close.
I want you to assume that you're a policeman right now, okay?
Yeah.
You're wearing Inspector Quinn's badge, okay?
Okay.
And you look at the video, and then you look at the time on the video. Let's see the front face sheet, please. See where it says red time? She's going to put an arrow there.
0.3?
It says 0.3. You know what that means?
No.
That means he went through the light when it was red
3 seconds?
for 0.3 of a second.
Oh, 3/10. So it was close.
Well, you just said he's definitely guilty. I'm trying to explain to you. Now,
0.3 of a second, that's not much.
all right, now, let me finish.
Okay.
Do you go through this every day?
Yes, Your Honor.
We've been happily married for 43 years.
And now the tables turn. Linda becomes the judge. This is where courtroom drama meets relationship counseling. Will she drop the hammer or grant mercy? Spoiler, after 43 years of marriage, she knows exactly which verdict keeps dinner plans intact.
Right?
Yes, dear.
You know, when my wife and I meet people, they usually say, "How long have you been married?" And I say, "We've been happily married for 5 years." Now, my wife is much younger looking than I am, but even though, so they say, "Oh, you've been happily married for 5 years. Is she your second or third wife?" I say, "Oh, no, we've been married 50 years. We've been happily married for 5. But you've been happily married for how long?
Almost 43 years.
43 years. All right, now I'm going to make you a judge, okay?
Okay.
Here you are. Can I call you Linda? You don't mind being
Linda,
called? All right.
that's fine.
All right, well, here's the deal. You're the judge, and the statute that set up this offense, right, allows 0.2 of a second.
Case dismissed and lesson learned. In Providence, mercy can hinge on milliseconds, and marriage can hinge on 2 golden words. Yes, dear. Behind every verdict is a human story, and behind every strong marriage is a man who knows when to surrender gracefully.
To get through the light, and they don't charge you.
Okay.
And
Missed it by one.
1/10.
and how do you handle this case? It's 0.3 of a second. Do you give him the benefit of the doubt, right? Or do you say, hey, you 0.3, pay the fine? What do you do?
I'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Because it's your
And
husband.
he has to take me to dinner.
Oh,
That's the deal.
well,
I have to agree with her, Your Honor.
it's been my custom. It's been my policy, in effect. Without the city coming in and proving the calibration, I think the difference between 0.2 of a second and 0.3 of a second is so small, right, that I usually give the benefit of the doubt, right? Particularly when they come in with some high-powered defense like you.
You don't have to take me to dinner.
No, I'm not going to take you to dinner.
Okay.
I've been happily married for 5 years. Matter is dismissed.
Linda's husband has found the secret to a long, successful marriage. No, it's not active listening or meaningful walks on the beach or mastering the Kama Sutra. Nope. It's much simpler than that. It's 2 simple words.
We've been happily married for 43 years, right?
Yes, dear.
That's right. The 2 most important words for a husband to learn are, yes, dear. Repeat that phrase every time she stops talking, and you're good to go. Pro tip, no charge.
Sergio D'Souza.
How are we doing, Your Honor?
Who's this? Your lawyer with you?
My son. He's 2.5.
What's the little guy's name?
It's Gavin.
Say, give him the gavel. Here, let him play with that.
Want to play with that? Look.
All right, he'll be quiet now for a minute. I can't understand. You have a $25 ticket.
Yeah.
You've been here for 2 hours already. Your son's breaking a gavel. That's going to cost you $50.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Judge, I've had that 150 years. He's had it about 2 seconds and broke it.
Just let him go. Let him go.
Yeah, I haven't. I've
So
tried.
this has to be a good story. Why
Yeah.
are you here?
Well, I've got a ticket. I went to family court, and what had happened was I paid for an hour, and then I was going to walk away, and then I thought about it because before I paid for an hour, and I've stayed in family court. You never know how long.
What a ride! From traffic tickets to timeless marriage advice, this courtroom never disappoints. So, what's your verdict? Was justice served, or just cleverly charmed? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Until next time, case closed.
I'm going to be there, and I've stayed longer. Now, because of it's that meter where the whole strip, it doesn't allow me to put for that same car. So what I did was I put the 2 tickets
I have him here.
in my window.
I have them.
I put the 2 tickets in my window, and it doesn't show that hour.
You got the ticket at 10:24.
10:24, yes. So what I'm saying is I paid for 2 hours. I was there probably a little bit before 9. I should have gotten till 11 o'clock.
First meter allowed you to park until 10:19. You missed by 5 minutes. The matter is dismissed.
Thank you, I
I
appreciate
want the
it.
gavel back. All right.
No, you can't bring it with you. Oh, no. Everything in his mouth.